Do you sometimes feel like you are in a rut as a massage therapist using the same old routine? Hi, I'm MeriJayd O'Connor, instructor for Free the Breath, a hands-on exploration of the respiratory diaphragm and abdominal massage, coming to the Lauderstein-Conway Massage School. Do you regularly avoid massaging the abdomen? I get it. It tends to be a vulnerable place for people, and there are lots of organs and areas of endangerment, and how the heck do you drape? However, addressing the front of the body, especially around the respiratory diaphragm, helps our clients become more active participants in self-care and stress management. Together, therapist and client can identify the sensations of stress and how the breath behaves. We often take the breath for granted, but restricted breathing, mouth breathing, chest breathing all have negative consequences for our health and can perpetuate the stress reaction. This class gives massage therapists a chance to explore working with the respiratory diaphragm without the demands of a paying session. We will study structure, function, and identify key muscles and trigger points that often inhibit the diaphragm's ability to move. With mindful touch and a deep therapeutic presence, we are also able to help facilitate parasympathetic activation and vagal tone. A key part of this class is to learn self-care treatments for enhancing breath. We will also practice communication skills to be in collaboration and gain rapport with our clients so we can feel confident and at ease in our massage practices.
This very special class is coming soon to the Lauderstein-Conway Massage School. For more information and registration, click the link in this post or go to tlcmassageschool.com.